हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का जांगड़ा स्टेनोग्राफी के अंदर। आज मॉडर्न वॉल्यूम सेकंड का पैसेज नंबर 26 के 400 वर्ड्स करेंगे। रेडी फॉर दैट? 5 seconds लेफ्ट। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डिप्टी स्पीकर सर, underneath the glows and glitter of the second fastest growing economy lies another India of about 330 million BPL families and the largest number of malnourished children in the world. It is in this background that the nation expected a visionary budget from the finance minister to alleviate the misery of poor Bharat. On the contrary, the budget has let down the Aam Aadmi and become an exercise in financial engineering, and I will attempt to decipher in the next few minutes. The union budget is not just a statement of accounts. It should not just contain statistics. It was intended to reflect the vision and foresight and statesmanship, and should hold a promise of a better tomorrow for the millions who reposed their faith in the UPA government. The Honorable Finance Minister is a veteran and he gave great hope to all of us. Unfortunately, this budget belies all such expectations. It is devoid of any vision, foresight, focus, statesmanship, initiative, or drive. Sir, this has been a missed opportunity. As India enters the last year of the 11th five-year plan, we see that almost on all parameters this government has failed, be it power sector and infrastructure sector or be it crude oil production. What has been the performance of this government, sir? For everything that we ask a question about, they only go back to the NDA performance and juggle with figures and statistics to try and compare part of the performance with the NDA performance. Sir, out of 60 years, they ran the government in this country for 55 years. But what have they given us to show the world in terms of performance? Sir, I think it is time that this government announced performance audits of all the schemes that it is undertaking by the private initiatives, by private participation to understand where we are really going wrong. They really have no concrete blueprint to achieve literacy, education, and health care for all. It is not just mere statistical budget provision that is going to solve the problem. One senior colleague mentioned about Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, and he mentioned that this scheme is providing employment to the people of this country. Is that the sort of employment that this government wants to give to the people? Another senior colleague from the treasury benches himself. तो दोस्तों, ये एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड मैटर था। बिल्कुल मैटर टफ है, बट बार बार प्रैक्टिस करने से आप प्रैक्टिस में आ जाएंगे। तो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग with our channel. Subscribe my channel to get new video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.